In the bustling city of Lumina, where towering skyscrapers touched the sky, lived a man named Oliver, who had an unusual talent. He could capture moments from the future in his dreams. This peculiar gift made him both fascinated and fearful of what lay ahead. One night, Oliver dreamt of a mysterious key. It glowed with an ethereal light and seemed to unlock a door to a hidden world. Intrigued, he embarked on a quest to find this elusive key, guided only by the fragments of his dream. His journey took him through the labyrinthine streets of Lumina, where he encountered characters and challenges that mirrored those from his dreams. Along the way, he befriended a street artist named Lily, whose vibrant paintings seemed to hold a deeper connection to Oliver's visions. As Oliver and Lily delved deeper into the heart of the city, they discovered a forgotten park hidden behind the towering buildings. In the center of the park stood an ancient door, matching the one in Oliver's dream. The key, it seemed, was the missing piece to unraveling the mysteries of Lumina. With a sense of trepidation, Oliver inserted the key into the door's lock. The moment it turned, the world around them transformed. Lumina faded away, and they found themselves in a magical realm filled with floating islands and colorful creatures. It turned out that Lumina was once a place where magic and reality coexisted. However, over time, the inhabitants had forgotten their connection to the magical realm, and the door had been sealed. As Oliver and Lily explored this enchanting world, they discovered that Lumina's magic was fading, affecting both realms. The key, they realized, held the power to restore the balance. United with newfound friends, a talking fox and a wise old tree, they embarked on a quest to gather fragments of forgotten magic scattered across the floating islands. Each fragment held memories and stories of Lumina's past. As they collected the magic fragments, Lumina began to transform. The city regained its lost luster, and people started to remember the beauty of the magical realm. The once forgotten park flourished, becoming a gateway between the two worlds. In a climactic moment, Oliver faced a choice. He could either stay in the magical realm, where his dreams were born, or return to the revitalized Lumina. Faced with the decision, he realized that the true magic lay in the connections he had made and the potential to bring joy and wonder to both realms. With a bittersweet farewell to the magical world, Oliver, Lily, and their friends returned to Lumina. The city now embraced its mystical heritage, and the once hidden park became a sanctuary for those seeking a touch of magic in their lives. And so, Lumina transformed into a city where dreams and reality intertwined, proving that sometimes the key to a brighter future lies within the hidden realms of our imagination.